Today we're taking a look at the Seiko SRPK01K1, a limited edition Seiko 5 Sports inspired by the brand's iconic heritage. Inside the box, you'll find the official warranty card. As always, we provide a full 3-year international warranty. Taking a closer look at the dial, you'll notice the vintage-inspired design elements that pay tribute to Seiko's legendary sports watches. And when the lume lights up, it's easy to see why Seiko is known for some of the best luminosity in the industry. Would you add this limited edition Seiko 5 Sports to your collection? Let me know in the comments below.